In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to someone's Google Calendar. This can be incredibly handy for coordinating schedules, whether it's for work, school, or just keeping up with friends and family. We'll be walking through the process using a desktop web browser, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your desktop. Just type Google Calendar into your web browser and hit enter. Once you're on the page, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. This is crucial because you need to be logged in to access the various features we'll be using today. Now, once you have your Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice something that says Other Calendars. This section is where you'll be adding the new calendars you want to subscribe to, so it's an important spot to note. Next, right beside Other Calendars, you'll see a small plus sign. It might be easy to overlook, but this plus sign is your gateway to adding new calendars. Go ahead and click that plus sign. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. The one we're interested in says subscribe to calendar, so go ahead and choose that. Here comes the key part. You'll need the email address of the person whose calendar you want to subscribe to. This needs to be their Gmail address or any email they've associated with their Google Calendar. Enter that email address into the provided field. Make sure to double check the spelling because if there is an error in the email address, you won't be able to access the correct calendar. Once you've entered the email address, simply press enter. This action checks if the person has shared their calendar with you. If they have, you will see their calendar appear under Other Calendars right where we started. This means you've successfully subscribed to their calendar and you can now view their events alongside your own. Just a quick tip, if the calendar doesn't appear, it's worth checking back with the person to see if they've shared their calendar with you properly. They might need to adjust their sharing settings to grant you the necessary access. And there you have it. You're now connected to someone else's Google Calendar, which means you can seamlessly integrate their schedule with yours. This can help prevent double booking and keep everyone on the same page for upcoming events. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to hit the like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. See you next time.